Hi. Pretty sure whoever's watching this, was forced to. Which is totally okay, because you know what? We're gonna look at some awesome stuff, okay? My name is Bella. For anybody who doesn't know, I'm calling on names like Ratchet. I'm definitely Mexican. So you can call me Ratchet Mexican. I don't care. Don't call me Pudgy though. This will be very familiar with your face if you do. So let's go for that. Okay. So I brought stuff. Especially fashion. Here's some stuff. Oh wait, no. Just stuff. Here's some other cool stuff. She's a ninja. She has a tattoo on her back. It says "Love is Pain." Cool. Yeah, Mario. When are you going to show us the slide? The horrors. They call them the horrors. But they're really good. Alright, so let's just zoom over here. Just zoom in a little. Look at that. And anybody who says that those outfits are amazing like you and that you would wear, you're a slut now. Love ya. Sure. I did a Frozen theme. Snowflakes and pink stuff. Frozen water, frozen glass, I guess. So, so don't comment hater stuff, cause I'll tell you. This is my Ariel theme. This is Ariel. This is Ursula. Now, I know in the movie Ursula's not black, but it never says she has any other color. She just looks weird. And she's old. So, whatever. Okay. So, yeah, let's do my happy outfit. Okay, these are my happy outfits. This is mine personally, but I think my Pudge would hang out here. So, if this is a shirt or a hoodie, this would definitely be my happy outfit. In this outfit, there's Scoot over. Share the screen. Alright? So, in this one, there's this cardigan, and then there's these tights, and then there's this undershirt that's like green, and there's a sandals, and you can't really see them. There we go. They're orange and blue. So they're cool. There's this. Some silver heels. got these from the Proud. I got these ideas from the Proud magazine. Wacky modern fashion. Wacky stuff. '80s. Dresses. Other stuff. Wait, this is my last step, so I'll go over some. So yeah. So let's try you. Let's see, Internet Explorer. So, yeah, I guess that ends off this video. Fashion Week with Buller. Love y'all. Bulger. Out. Love you. Yeah. I'm missing you already. Sorry. Bye.